I'm about to have my 6th knee surgery. Number 6. En tu tre. Tira fem sex. So when you see me walking around, it's always really slow. You can see I have a brace on underneath. I just be, walking super slow. And I have to have surgery on this knee. I have to have surgery on the other knee. Oh my goodness. I have bad days with my knees, and then I have worse days with my knees. I'm here in my apartment. It's gonna take me forever to get upstairs. Some of you guys have been here since the beginning, and you remember when I moved in here, I had all them damn suitcases, and I had to take them all upstairs. It's still on my page if you go all the way down. And it's like 70,000 views or something. It's crazy. But there's no lift in my apartment building, and it's the worst. Oh my God. So pretty much I just go, yeah. It's terrible. Whew. They're both jacked up. But this is the year, gonna get fully fixed. Boom, and then boom.